Switching gears now, let's check on our forecast with First Alert meteorologist Falicia Woody. The last 2 days have been beautiful. I got to get outside and enjoy it, so hopefully you'll get to do that today.
One thing I have not heard a lot of, complaining.
I know, it's because it's fall-like in the morning and evening, but during the day you still get that sunshine and a little bit of heat.
One of the things I noticed about Pennsylvania in general is that fall is like a holiday here that's celebrated for 2 or 3 months, and today is going to be one of those days where we feel like we're celebrating it. The only thing is it's a little tough to see outside, but that's because we're dealing with some fog, especially north of the city. Doesn't look like our map is picking up on much if you are south of the Steel City, but if you're headed down towards Wheeling, there is some foggy conditions along the Ohio River Valley. If you're headed up towards the north, there's probably less than a mile of visibility, so keep that in mind. But we are looking at temperatures in the 40s to kick off for our Saturday morning. This is jacket weather, but you can shed those jackets towards the end of the day. Those dew points are reading in the 40s, which means it's more comfortable outside, but because those temperatures are very close to it, that's why we are experiencing the fog. So here's today's high temperatures, slightly warmer than the last couple of days by a few degrees, but this is right on target for this time of year to be in the mid 70s. So if you're going to be doing any morning exercising, this is when it's the best time if you like the cooler weather, but still this afternoon when it comes to this time of year and this kind of forecast, you can exercise really all day long and not have to worry about it being too oppressively hot. But the sun is going to beam down on you from the morning until the evening. And it looks like tomorrow we're not going to be talking about much sun because clouds move in and also those rain chances. So let's talk about it. We start to see the movement of the rain around the morning hours. So if you're headed off to church or anything else in the morning, it looks like you're going to have to bring along those umbrellas or at least wear the rain jacket because it could be pretty soggy. But then we move into the afternoon and then we really turn down those rain chances. They still could remain spotty, but it is going to at least be a little bit drier compared to the morning. By Monday, it looks like we still have some leftover moisture that could spark up another couple of spotty showers, but then we should end off those rain chances just in time for the Steelers game Monday night. So if it does rain during the Steelers game, it is just going to be a couple of drops. It's not going to be a washout or anything. By Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're not discussing any more rain. High temperatures mainly in the 70s over the next several days with the exception of tomorrow, but we are tracking a warm up towards the end of the week. Looking at post-tropical cyclone Lee, this is bringing a lot of wind and dangerous rip current conditions for the New England coast and is expected to make landfall post-tropically somewhere in Nova Scotia. And looking at our 2023 Atlantic hurricane list, we have made it all the way up through the name Margot. There's also another system in the Atlantic that is likely going to get the next name, which is Nigel. 75 degrees for today, 68 for tomorrow with the rain starting to move in the morning. We should eliminate the rain by the time the Steelers play Monday night. Tuesday through Friday, lots of sunshine with temperatures warming up.